The municipality of Knjazevac lies in picturesque river valleys of the Timok River, on the hilly slopes of the surrounding mountains and attractive areas of the northern part of Stara Planina. Varied relief from the gentle valley to the foot of the highest peak of Serbia, Midjor, at 2,169 meters above sea level, mild continental climate, thermal springs, rapid mountain streams and small rivers, forests that are interspersed with orchards, vineyards and fields, diverse flora and fauna make this area very attractive for rural tourism. The ski center Babin Zub consists of ski trails at the locations of Konjarnik, Sunčana Dolina and Markova Livada. The ski resort Babin Zub has a four-seater cable car, Konjarnik, with a conveyor for the transport of skiers with a capacity of 1,400 skiers per hour, and the ski lift T-bar Sun Valley with a capacity of 1,200 skiers per hour, as well as the children's ski kindergarten with a magic carpet called Markova Livada. On the location of Jabučko Ravnište, there is the first gondola in Serbia. The 8-seater gondola transports skiers from the hotel to the following system of lifts and ski trails. In this part of the ski resort, a 4-seater cable car was built, as well as a ski lift, so that it is connected with the part of the ski resort on Babin Zub. More than 13 kilometers of perfectly groomed trails of varying difficulty are prepared for skiers of all categories. For lovers of extreme sports, there is a path for a free ride. The ski center of Stara Planina has built a system for artificial snow so that in case of lack of natural snow, visitors of the center can enjoy winter sports. Friendly and hospitable people of the villages at the foot of Stara Planina, with the development of the ski center Babin Zub, began accommodating guests in their homes, and in both summer and winter, people of different professions, age groups and financial power keep coming back to the village. The reason for this is a growing need of a modern man to spend time in a preserved natural environment, which creates a feeling of relaxation, calmness, freedom, which is opposite to the way of life in an urban environment. For many, it is an escape from the reality of the urban jungle, slowing down the rhythm of life and a refreshment. Still, it is more than that. Due to a direct contact and socializing, participating in the daily life of residents, the traditional forms of tourism are changed and a direct and intimate atmosphere is created, unlike the one in hotels. The customers feel at home, friendships are made. For guests, this means the return to nature and healthy roots, to hosts the broadening of horizons through the merging of traditional and modern. If you choose to stay in one of the villages on the slopes of the mountain, you will have the opportunity to enjoy walks through unspoiled nature, hiking, collecting herbs, skiing, participating in the preparation of food, and at the end of the day, when you get back tired, a friendly host will offer you local specialties such as belmuž, cheese, hot bread, and a variety of traditional dishes of local cuisine prepared according to old and forgotten recipes. What will further attract you are the excellent wines of Knjazevac vineyards that have constantly been awarded and are offered in the world's largest hotel chains. Wine production in Knjazevac vineyards is dating back to Roman times, of which there are data from the archaeological sites of Timacum Minus nearby the town of Knjazevac. At this late antique site, a statue of Dionysius, the god of wine of ancient Romans, was excavated. Data show that the Roman legions refreshed themselves with quality wines from this area before departure to military campaigns. In the records of ancient writers from the 3rd and 4th centuries, Knjazevac area is described as a vineyard area. Banjica Spa is located on the bank of the Timok River, 5 kilometers from Knjazevac. It is one of the favorite resorts of Knjazevac and its visitors. It consists of a series of springs appearing in the aquifer rifts length of 800 meters. Banjica Spa water is warm subthermal water with a temperature from 20 to 37 degrees Celsius, and from the therapeutic point of view it is classified as hypothermal. The analysis of chemical and medicinal composition showed the presence of selenium, radon, magnesium, fluoride, etc. This water is suitable for the treatment of respiratory organs, sciatica, rheumatism, some nerve diseases, and so on. Banjica Spa is a frequent destination of nature lovers. You can enjoy its beauty anytime due to the steady temperature of its water. Banjica Spa with its water supplies the pool complex. It includes an open Olympic pool, depth up to 2.2 meters, children's pool depth of 60 centimeters with a mini aqua park, a restaurant, and several sports fields for beach volleyball, football, and basketball. The Olympic swimming pool has recently been covered, which made swimming possible in the winter too. Visitors know that this complex is one of the best in Europe. Successful swimmers and water polo players benefit from the swimming pool during their preparation for competitions. At the pool Banjica many popular swimmers were preparing, like Knjazevac and Milorad Čavić, but also the representation of Greece, many sports clubs in Serbia and neighboring countries. In the village of Ravna, there is an archaeological site called Timacum Minus, a military fortification from the period of the Roman Empire. Near the site there is the archaeological ethnopark, located in the courtyard of an old village school. In addition to the school building, in the courtyard of the house you can see replicas of the old houses from the villages of Gornja Kamenica and Berčinovac as examples of rural architecture from the end of the 19th century. The municipality of Knjazevac has very favorable conditions for the development of different forms of tourism, and the proximity of Stara Planina mountain massif and its unspoiled nature offers ideal conditions for the development of mountain tourism, organization of competitions in extreme sports, adrenaline ride of all-terrain vehicle, exploring caves, waterfalls and gorges, as well as hiking to the highest peak in Serbia. To the lovers of more cultivated environment, we recommend the villages in the valley of the river Timok, visiting wineries, enjoying fishing, visiting the old mills, as well as some of the local pubs with pleasant music, where you can try unforgettable specialties of this area. Because of all of this, Knjazevac was named the Exceptional Destination of Europe in 2014.